guys, we are going to do some cleanup this afternoon. And hello Kin, look at me. Yeah, and what you gonna do?
I'm going to pick out the trees I want to cut up with the chainsaw.
Louder.
And burn the rest.
Alright, and you will push.
I'll push it all up and we'll push it up to a heap.
Louder please.
Push it up to burn it.
Alright.
So I'm going to take out what I want to cut up and keep the firewood.
Okay, keep going.
We need to cut down the trees because it's too close to the house, and we have to do it before the house frame comes. Lucky this time we had a machine to use for cleaning up, because last time when we did it, it's too much work and you'll be so sore after. He's sorting out the bigger stuff and the smaller one so that we can burn it tonight, and the big one we can make it firewood. Before we had planned to keep the trees at the front, but because we need to move forward the house 6 meters away from the shed, so the tree needs to cut down. We're lucky the temperature is dropping. We can burn it tonight before we go to bed, and we'll let it burn overnight. Before we had a machine, every time we cut down the trees, it took us a couple of days to clean up, because you need to cut it with a chainsaw, the bigger stuff, and then too much work to carry it to the back and certain small and the big one. With this dingo machine, it makes our cleanup quicker and it makes life easier. I don't need the wheelbarrow. I don't have to push wheelbarrow to put away the logs to the back. And I'm here now filming, which is easy. We have more projects coming up and we'll keep you updated. And shout out to Kyle Jeff Tangaro. Thanks for always watching my video. I love you. And shout out to my subscribers, my 300 subscribers, and my Facebook friends that who always watch my video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video, and I have more coming. Bye for now.